Welcome to the future. A Lycan 2022 motorcycle and technology virtual. To pursue greatness, we have to challenge the norm. Taking inspiration from sci-fi and superhero movies. The Filipino tech startup Lycan brings the future of motorcycles. As they rev up their high-tech bikes and smart accessories, Lycan will integrate AI in its prototypes. Like the Lycan G6 and the Challenger 1. Owners will also be able to customize their motorcycles with the use of a mobile app and a special operating system built by the company itself.
What you are currently doing manually can be done through our mobile app. Like, for instance, we're able to tell you if you have broken parts of your bike, and then it will give you a predictive maintenance. Nowadays, you'll go to the shop once the part of your bike had been causing some errors or you need to fix on the way. But on the future, what we envision is before that happened, you would be able to know them prior to that particular incident happening.
Aside from predictive maintenance, customers can expect to talk to their motorcycles through the Luna Smart Voice Assistant. Like Tony Stark's JARVIS.
Because we are also one of the first, I believe, to have self-branded Filipino made motorcycles. So in this, instead of for us going the average route of looking like almost all of the motorcycles that you see, we're really pushing ourselves to bring innovation and technology to the market.
Lycan hopes to put the Philippines on the map. When it comes to tech innovations, and blaze a trail for other tech innovators.
Our technology that we are creating is not just really for the motorcycle industry. It's not just for a company. We are hoping once we are able to showcase na okay, it's possible, na okay, this is what can happen, it would open up a lot more possibilities with other industries outside the motorcycle industry.
The company is set to unveil its prototypes on December 11th. Experience a new and more convenient way of owning a motorcycle.